So guess what, guys? This is the final blog for selling your home here with the Fry team. We are here at the final day, and as you can see, we are smiling from ear to ear. So the last step, as you heard, we were at the title company signing those docs. There was a lot of little stuff. We had to give them the wiring information of where we wanted our proceeds to go and things like that. And then today we find out that the buyer's loan funded. Yay! What that means is that their loan with their lender funded into the title company's account. Now the buyer still has to come in with a cashier's check that also has to be delivered, if not already, when they signed. And then they have to then complete all the paperwork and record it with with the county, Maricopa County here. And that was done. And so what happens at the Fry team is we get an email from our title company that says we have funded and recorded. And then even though that's finished, we are done. We are no longer that homeowner of that house. And so we love that house. We had it for several years. 3 years we lived in it, and 1 year we rented it out with our property management team. And then today we actually closed and sold on it. And what an investment we made. We were very happy, right? Yay, so happy. And that's what homeownership is all about. I mean, can you imagine if we rented a home for 4 years? Do you think we would have gotten that kind of investment back? I don't think so. But we are so pleased to say, yay, we did it. We've closed. We got a notice just now from our bank account. Our funds were wired into the account. And so we are very, very happy at this moment. And now we have to figure out, what do we do? Do we invest in another house? Do we invest in a multiple complex? Do we, I don't know, go play the lottery? What do you want to do with that money? Oh, the fun stuff that we get to do today. So that's the end of our seller blog, and we look forward to helping you too invest and sell.